As we delve deeper into the evolution of these automotive giants, it's essential to understand the pivotal moments that shaped Mecum and Barrett-Jackson into the powerhouses they are today. Mecum's journey began in 1971 when Donna Mecum, fueled by a passion for motorcycles, established what would soon become a cornerstone of the classic car auction world. From humble beginnings, Mecum Auctions carved its path with a homespun charm and an unwavering commitment to the thrill of the auction experience. Similarly, Barrett-Jackson's story is one of resilience and reinvention. Founded in 1947 by Tom Barrett, the auction house underwent a transformative phase under the leadership of Craig Jackson. The infusion of Hollywood glitz, star-studded events, and an unwavering commitment to charitable causes solidified Barrett-Jackson's position as a premier destination for automotive enthusiasts. As we shift gears to the present, the automotive auction landscape is undergoing a paradigm shift. Bring the Trailer, launched in 2002 by Randy Miller, emerged as a disruptor with its curated selection, community engagement, and narrative-driven approach to online car buying. The success of Bring a Trailer set the stage for a new era, prompting enthusiasts to question the traditional in-person auction model. Cars and Bids, founded in 2014 by Doug DeMuro and Nikolai Fomenko, injected Silicon Valley innovation into the mix. Its streamlined online auctions, data-driven insights, and emphasis on accessibility resonated with a generation seeking a seamless tech-savvy car buying experience. These online platforms are not just changing the way cars are bought and sold, they are reshaping the very essence of the enthusiast community. The once exclusive world of classic car auctions, characterized by the scent of exhaust fumes and the echo of auctioneers, is now accessible at the click of a mouse or the tap of a screen. Bring a Trailer's curated approach fosters a sense of trust and excitement, while Cars and Bids caters to a generation that thrives on data and transparency. No longer confined by geographical boundaries, enthusiasts worldwide can now partake in the bidding frenzy, making the allure of classic cars a global phenomenon. Yet, in the face of this digital revolution, Mecum and Barrett-Jackson are not conceding defeat. Mecum, with its auctioneer's voice hotter than a dragster's exhaust, has embraced the digital age with live streaming, opening up its auctions to a global audience. Barrett-Jackson, the Hollywood star of auctions, is not only expanding its online presence, but also forging partnerships, exemplified by its collaboration with Bring a Trailer. The future of car auctions is a tightly contested race between the nostalgic allure of traditional auctions and the convenience offered by online platforms. The debate extends beyond the auction block, transcending into the very essence of what it means to be an automotive enthusiast in the 21st century. As we navigate this winding road of automotive history, the question arises: will the future be defined by the roar of the gavel or the click of the mouse? The clash of old-school charm and digital disruption continues to unfold, and the winner, my fellow gearheads, is a tale still in the making. This isn't merely about cars changing hands. It's a narrative of passion evolving, a community adapting, and the automotive landscape reshaping before our eyes. Whether you're a fan of Mecum's live auction theatrics, Barrett-Jackson's celebrity-studded showcases, Bring a Trailer's curated online experience, or Cars and Bids' tech-savvy approach, the common thread is a shared love for the artistry of automobiles. So buckle up, fellow enthusiasts, because this ride through the annals of automotive auctions is far from over. From the revving engines of Mecum to the Hollywood glitz of Barrett-Jackson and the digital disruption brought by Bring a Trailer and Cars and Bids, we're witnessing the convergence of history, innovation, and the ever-persistent heartbeat of the automotive world.